albino alligator. An albino alligator is an alligator born with a rare genetic condition called albinism. This condition prevents the body from producing melanin, the pigment responsible for skin, eye, and scale coloration. As a result, albino alligators have white or cream-colored skin and pink or red eyes. Because they lack protective pigmentation, they are highly sensitive to sunlight and have poor camouflage, making survival in the wild difficult.
Leucistic Python. A leucistic python has a genetic condition known as leucism, which causes a partial loss of skin pigmentation. Unlike albinism, leucistic pythons usually have normal-colored eyes, while their scales appear white or pale. This condition occurs when pigment cells fail to develop properly during growth. Leucistic pythons are popular in captivity because of their striking appearance, but in the wild, their pale coloration can make them more visible to predators.
Hairless cat, Sphynx. The Sphynx cat is a breed that carries a natural genetic mutation responsible for its lack of fur. Although it appears completely hairless, its skin is covered with a fine layer of soft fuzz. The absence of fur makes the cat more vulnerable to temperature changes and sunburn. As a result, Sphynx cats require special care to protect their skin and maintain their body temperature.
Hairless dog, Xoloitzcuintli. The Xoloitzcuintli, also known as the Mexican hairless dog, possesses a genetic mutation that causes little or no body hair. This mutation affects the development of hair follicles, leaving the skin exposed. The breed is known for its smooth skin and unique appearance. Because of the lack of fur, these dogs require protection from extreme weather conditions and excessive sunlight.
Pink dolphin. The Amazon pink dolphin gets its distinctive pink coloration from a combination of genetics, age, and blood vessels located close to the skin's surface. Young dolphins are usually gray and gradually become pink as they mature. Increased blood flow during excitement or physical activity can make their skin appear even pinker. This coloration is a natural variation rather than a disease or harmful mutation.
Axolotl.
Axolotl is an amphibian famous for its unusual appearance and remarkable ability to regenerate lost body parts. Genetic mutations have produced several color varieties, including albino, golden, and leucistic forms. These mutations affect skin pigmentation, resulting in different colors and patterns. Axolotls are widely studied by scientists because of their unique regenerative abilities and genetic characteristics.
Pigmentation-mutated frogs. Some frogs develop rare skin colors such as blue, yellow, white, or black due to genetic mutations that affect pigment production. These mutations alter the amount or type of pigments present in the skin. While unusual colors can make frogs visually striking, they may also reduce camouflage and increase the risk of predation. Such mutations occur naturally, but are relatively uncommon in wild populations.